Hello students, today we will see how to find inverse of matrix by elementary transformation method. In the previous lecture we had seen how to find inverse of matrix by adjoint method, and in starting of this chapter we had seen the examples based on this topic, how to find inverse of matrix by elementary transformation method. Now we will solve the question based on this in exercise also. So in exercise 2.2 there are question based on this topic. So question is 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. So this is our matrix 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. You have to find the inverse of this matrix by using elementary transformation method. So it is very simple. So let this matrix is A 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. Okay, so first we will find determinant of this matrix. So determinant of A is 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. 0, it will be 2 3 1 1 minus 1 1 3 3 1. Last element is 2. I hope you all know how to find determinant of a matrix. So it will be 0 minus 1 1 1s are 1 3 3s are 9 2 1 1s are 1 3 2s are 6 minus 1, and it will be minus 8 plus 2 minus 5. So it is 8 minus 10. So it is minus 2, which is non-zero. Non-zero, that means non-singular. If this matrix is non-singular matrix, therefore A inverse exists. So if you want to do by row transformation, you have to write A into A inverse is equals to I. And if you want to do by the column transformation, you have to write A inverse into A is equals to I. These all topics we had seen in the previous lectures with solved examples. So now I will write the matrix A 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1 into A inverse is equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. Now what you have to do? You have to convert this matrix into identity matrix by suitable row transformation. ये वाले matrix को identity matrix में convert करना है by suitable row transformation. So what are those suitable row transformation? So the suitable row transformations are, I'll show you. What you have to do? First you have to make this element 1 and this 2 0. Then you have to make this element as 1 and this 2 0. And lastly this as 1 and this 2 0. So by that you can see it is a identity matrix. So our first task is we have to convert this 0 into 1 and these numbers into 0. So ये 0 को हमको 1 बनाना है और ये दोनों नंबर को पहले 0 बनाना है. So very simple step is, this is 0 and this is 1. So if you applying R1 changes to R2, that means row 1 and row 2 are interchanging. So definitely row 3 will be as it is. So we will write row 3 as it is. हम लोग रो 3 को वैसे ही लिखते हैं. अभी रो 2 के प्लेस पे आ जाएगा रो 1 and at place of row 1 it will be row 2. So it will be 0 1 0 0. See, so ये 1 हो गया और ये 0. Correct. What we had done, row 1 and row 2 are interchanged. तो हमारे दो स्टेप हो गए, ये 1 और ये 0. Now you have to convert this 3 into 0. So how to convert this 3 into 0? In the solved examples I had shown you, first you have to make this element as 1 and these two 0 by using this only. So here also this is 1 and this is 0. You have to make this 3 as 0 by using this. So 3 में से अगर हम लोग ने 3 1 जा 3 कर दिए तो it will be 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So applying R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. R3 में से 3 times of R1 अगर हम लोग माइनस करेंगे तो दिस विल बी 0. So you have to change R3. So you will write R1 as it is 1 2 3, R2 as it is 0 1 2 into A inverse, and here also 0 1 0 1 0 0. You have to change R3. So how to change R3? It is like R3 minus 3 times of R1. So 3 minus 3 times of 1. 3 minus 3 times of 1. So this will be 0. 1 minus 3 times of 2. 1 minus 3 times of 2. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Okay. 1 minus 3 times of 2 minus 5. And 1 minus 3 times of 3. 1 minus 3 times of 3. So it is minus 8. Similarly here 0 minus 3 times of 0, it is 0. 0 minus 3 times of 1, it is minus 3. 1 minus 3 times of 0, so it will be 1. So we had done this step. Now what you have to do, make this element as 1 and these two 0. So as you can see, this is already 1. Only what you have to do, make this 0 and this also 0. So first you have to convert this 2 as 0 or this minus 5 as 0. So this is minus 5. If you add 5 in minus 5, then it will become 0. So minus 5 plus 5 times of 1, that means R3 plus 5 times of R2. So applying R3 changes to R3 plus 5 times of R2. So as you can see, R3 plus 5 times of R2. So if you are changing row 3, so row 1 and row 2 will be as it is. 1 2 3 0 1 2. 1 2 3 0 1 2, and here 0 1 0 1 0 0. So we are changing R3. So R3 plus 5 times of R2. 0 plus 5 times of 0, it will be 0. Minus 5 plus 5 times of 1. So minus 5 plus 5 times of 1, definitely it will be 0. Okay. Minus 8 plus 5 times of 2. So minus 8 plus 5 2 is 10. Minus 8 plus 10, it will be 2. है ना, minus 8 plus 10, it will be 2. 0. 0 plus 5 times of 1, so it will be 5. है ना, 0 plus 5 times of 1, it will be 5. Minus 3 plus 5 times of 0, minus 3. 1 plus 5 times of 0, 1. Okay. So now we have to make this element is 0. So applying R1 changes to R1 minus 2 times of R2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So here if you are changing R1, R2 and R3 will be as it is. 0 1 2 0 0 2 1 0 0 5 minus 3 1. 1 minus 2 times of 0, it will be 1. 2 minus 2 ones are 2, it will become 0. 3 minus 2 twos are 4, it will become minus 1. As you can see here, R1 is 3, sorry, R1 is 3 minus 2 times of R2. R2 is 2, so 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So these steps we had completed. Now the next step is you have to make this element as 1 and this 2 0. So you have to make this 2 as 1, but before that you have to solve this. So R1, that means 0 minus 2 ones are 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 zeros are 0, so it will be 1 and this will be 0 only. So now you have to make this as 1. So what we will do, applying R3 changes to R3 divide by 2. You have to divide by 2 this number, so it will be 1. So if you are changing R3, so rest rows will be as it is. So now see, 0 divided by 2 is 0, 0 divided by 2 is 0, 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is 5 divided by 2, this is minus 3 divided by 2, and this is 1 divided by 2. R3 divided by 2. Now what you have to do, make these two elements also 0. So how to make this 0? Applying R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R3. बी क्लियर दैट कि अगर हम लोग इसको 1 बनाते हैं और ये दोनों को 0, तो ये जो दो नंबर्स को हम लोग 0 बनाते हैं, हमको यूजिंग दिस करना है, मतलब इसको यूज़ करके ही ये दोनों को 0 बनाना है. सो 2 माइनस 2 1 2, सो R2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ R3. सो वी आर चेंजिंग रो 2. सो बाकी सब हम लोग वैसे ही लिखेंगे, 1 0 माइनस 1 0 0 1 इंटू ए इनवर्स माइनस 2 1 0 5 बाई 2 माइनस 3 बाई 2 1 बाई 2. और हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं रो 2 को. R2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ R3, 0 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 0 0, 1 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 0 1, 2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 1. नाउ सी, 2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 1, so it will be 0. Now main steps are here. 1 minus R2, that means 1 minus 2 times of 5 by 2, correct? 1 minus 2 times of R3. So 2 2 cancel, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Next, 0 minus 2 times of minus 3 by 2, again 2 2 cancel, minus minus plus 3. 0 minus 2 times of 1 by 2, 2 2 cancel, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So only this number is remaining, you have to make this 0. So applying R1 changes to R1 plus R3, that means minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so R1 plus R3. So rest all element will be same, 0 0 1 0 1 0. Now see, R1 you have to change, minus 4 3 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 by 2. Now see the first row, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, minus 1 plus 1 0. So this became the identity matrix. Now see here, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, okay? See, R1 plus R3 na, so minus 2 plus 5 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 5 by 2, 5 minus 4, so it is 1 by 2, okay? minus 2 R1 plus R3, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, तो हम लोग को इसका आंसर मिलेगा 1 by 2. 1 plus minus 3 by 2, so 2 minus 3 by 2, so it is minus 1 by 2. Last is 0 plus 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2. Now this is identity matrix. I into A inverse is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So I into A inverse, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So I into A inverse is A inverse. So value of A inverse is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is our A inverse by using रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मेथड. हम लोग अगर और सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो हम लोग इसमें से 1/2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. So 1/2 is common in the first row and also in the third row, but here 2 is not written, 1/2 is not written. So you have to adjust this term, like it is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So here divide में 2 नहीं है, so we will adjust 2/2. अगर हम लोग करेंगे तो it will be minus 8/2, 6/2 and minus 2/2. Multiply and divide by 2 so that you can take common as 1/2. So it will be 1 minus 1, 1, minus 8, 6 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 1. So A inverse. You can stop your answer here also. Okay. So हम लोग अपना आंसर यहाँ भी स्टॉप कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई भी कर सकते हैं. So this is how we had find out the inverse of matrix by elementary row transformation. Now we will see one question based on the column transformation. Actually in the exercise in question it is not mentioned which method you have to use, either row transformation or column transformation. You can use any method. Row transformation also you can use, as well as column transformation is also you can use. But if in the question it is mentioned that you have to use column transformation, then strictly you have to use column transformation. Now we will see one question based on the column transformation also. So we will see one 2 cross 2 matrix, like 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Okay. So this is our matrix and you have to find inverse of this matrix by using column transformation. So solution, let A 1, 2, 2 minus 1. First you have to find the determinant of this matrix. 1, 2, 2 minus 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and 2 2s are 4, so it is minus 5, not equals to 0. That means non-singular. If it is non-singular matrix, then only inverse exists. So A inverse exists. And you all know, if you want to do column transformation, you have to write A inverse into A is equals to I. And in column transformation, what you have to do, if it is 2 cross 2 matrix or if it is 3 cross 3 matrix, first you have to make this 1 and this 2 0, then this 1 and this 2 0, and then this 1 and this 2 0. रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले इसको 1 बनाते हैं और इन दोनों को 0, फिर इसको 1 बनाते हैं और इन दोनों को 0, फिर इसको 1 बनाते हैं और इन दोनों को 0. कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हम लोग हॉरिजॉन्टली करते हैं, पहले इसको 1 बनाते हैं और इन दोनों को 0, फिर इसको 1 बनाते हैं और इन दोनों को 0, एंड लास्टली इसको 1 बनाते हैं और इन दोनों को 0. दैट मीन्स रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हम लोग को स्टेप्स ऐसे फॉलो करने होते हैं और कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हम लोग स्टेप्स ऐसे फॉलो करते हैं. सो 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स में अगर हमने कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है, सो वी हैव टू मेक दिस 1 and then this element as 0, and in next step you have to make this 1 and this element as 0. So see here, A inverse we have to find out, and A is 1 2 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 0 0 1. So our step is 1 0. So this is already 1, only you have to make this as 0. So how to make this 0? 2 minus 2 ones are 2. So column 2 changes to column 2 minus 2 times of column 1. It is very simple. Column 2 minus 2 times of column 1. So if you want to change column 2, you have to write column 1 as it is. So I am writing column 1 as it is. Now column 2 is here 2. 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 0 है ना. Column 2 minus 2 times of column 1. 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 0. Next is minus 1 minus 2 into 2. So it is minus 1 column 2 minus column 2, that means minus 1, minus 2 times of column 1, that is. So minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Okay. So now next here column 2, 0, column 2 is here 0 minus 2 times of column 1, that is 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Next column 2 is here 1 minus 2 times of column 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. So what we had done, column 2 minus 2 times of column 1. So 0 minus 2. 1 minus 2 zeros are 0. So it is 1. Now the next step is what you have to do. You have to make this element as 1 and this 0. So how to make this 1? You have to divide it by minus 5. So column 2 changes to column 2 divided by minus 5. So A inverse into column 1 will be as it is. 0 divided by anything is 0 and minus 5 divided by minus 5 will be 1. Column 1 will be as it is and you have to change the column 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 5. Minus minus cancel, 2 by 5. Correct? Minus 2 divided by minus 5. Minus 2 divided by minus 5. 2 by 5. 1 divided by minus 5. So minus 1 by 5. Okay. Now last step, you have to convert this element as 0. So it is in column 1. So column 1 changes to column 1 minus 2 times of column 2. Clearly 2 minus 2 ones are 2 will be 0. So A inverse column 1 will be as it is 0 1. 1 minus 2 zeros are 0, 1. 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 0. Now see, 1 minus 2 times of 2 by 5. See column 1 minus 2 times of column 2. So 1 minus 2 times of 2 by 5. Correct? So 1 minus 4 by 5. Cross multiply 5 minus 4 upon 5. So it will be 1 upon 5. Okay. 1 minus 2 times of 2 by 5. So if you solve this, you will get as 1 by 5 answer. Now next, 0 minus 2 times of minus 1 by 5. So it is 0, 0 minus 2 times of minus 1 by 5. So it will be minus minus plus 2 by 5. So A inverse, it is identity 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So A inverse will be, if you want, you can take 1 by 5 as common, otherwise you can stop your answer here. So 1 by 5 is equals to 1, 2, 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 2 minus 1. As you can see here, determinant is minus 5. In the previous lecture, I had shown you some hint that if 2 cross 2 matrix is there and the question is asked in the MCQ, so you can directly find out the answer. So for that, it is 1 upon determinant. So if you take minus common here, so if you take it as A inverse is equals to 1 upon minus 5, then the sign will be changed. So it will be minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 1. So you can see here 1 upon determinant, 1 upon determinant, and डायगनल एलिमेंट इंटरचेंज हो जाते हैं, हम लोग ने सीखे थे, है ना. सो 1 इधर आ गया, माइनस 1 ऊपर आ गया, और नॉन डायगनल की साइन चेंज होती है. ओके. सो हम लोग ऐसे भी आंसर फ्रेम कर सकते हैं और ये भी हम लोग आंसर ले सकते हैं और हम लोग इस पे भी अपना आंसर स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. So this is how we can find inverse of matrix by using elementary transformation, either row transformation or column transformation. So there is one topic in your textbook that is on page number 40. You can see on page number 40, uniqueness of inverse of matrix. This topic is eliminated from your syllabus, uniqueness of inverse of matrix. Okay, so the question based on this topic is also eliminated, and which is question number 4 of this exercise. It is here, this question. See here, this question, verify. This question is based on uniqueness of inverse of matrix. So this question is not this question is eliminated from your syllabus, as the topic of this question is eliminated from your syllabus, which is uniqueness of inverse of matrix on page number 40. So your exercise 2.2 is completed here. In next lecture we will see further topics of this chapter. Some topics are eliminated from your syllabus, which I will let you know while teaching the chapters. Okay, so today we will stop here, and I will give you the assignment based on this exercise, so you have to submit on time. Thank you.